Imagine stepping onto your patio and instantly feeling like you're in a luxury resort. That's the power of the right outdoor furniture. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the best outdoor patio furniture of 2025. The pieces that are stylish, comfortable, and built to last. Whether you have a small balcony, a spacious backyard, or a rooftop terrace, the right furniture can completely change the way you enjoy your outdoor space. From cozy mornings with coffee to fun evening gatherings with friends, your patio should be a place where comfort meets style. In this video, we'll cover why outdoor furniture matters more than you think, the best materials for 2025, trending styles and design ideas, and of course, top picks for every budget. By the end, you'll know exactly what you need to create the perfect outdoor space this year. Why outdoor furniture matters. Outdoor furniture isn't just decoration. It's the foundation of your patio experience. A well-designed patio setup creates a space to relax, entertain, and enjoy nature in comfort. Think of it like this. Your indoor furniture makes your home feel cozy, so your patio furniture should do the same for your outdoor space. The right furniture allows you to host friends and family comfortably, enjoy morning coffee, evening sunsets, or weekend BBQs, and transform a plain outdoor area into a stylish extension of your home. In 2025, the trend is all about blending style, functionality, and durability. Outdoor furniture isn't just about looking good. It has to withstand sun, rain, and dust while remaining comfortable and practical. With the right setup, your patio can become the most loved space in your home, a spot where you truly want to spend time every day. Top materials for 2025. Choosing the right material is key. It determines the look, comfort, and lifespan of your outdoor furniture. Here are the top materials for 2025. Teak wood. Teak is naturally durable and resistant to weather and insects. It ages beautifully, developing a soft silver gray patina over time. It's perfect if you want a classic, timeless look that can last for decades. Aluminum. Aluminum is lightweight, rust-proof, and easy to move around. It works well for modern designs and comes in various colors and finishes. It's ideal if you want low maintenance with a sleek, contemporary vibe. Rattan/wicker. Natural or synthetic rattan has a warm, cozy feel. It's often used in lounge chairs, sofas, and dining sets. Synthetic rattan is weather-treated and perfect for outdoor use, giving you style without the worry of damage. Polywood/synthetic materials. These materials mimic wood but are highly durable, affordable, and easy to clean. They're lightweight, long-lasting, and ideal for busy families or renters. Each material has its own strengths. Teak for longevity, aluminum for modern design, rattan for style, and synthetic options for convenience. Choosing the right one depends on your budget, style preference, and outdoor environment. Top styles and design trends for 2025. In 2025, outdoor furniture is all about comfort, versatility, and statement pieces. Modular sofa sets. Modular sofas are flexible. You can arrange them to fit small patios or sprawling terraces. They're perfect for lounging, hosting gatherings, or simply relaxing with a book. Hanging chairs and swings. Hanging chairs and swings are playful, relaxing, and instantly add a stylish touch. They're great for adding personality and creating a cozy corner outdoors. Minimalist bistro sets. For small spaces, compact bistro tables and chairs are trending. They're perfect for balconies, morning coffee, or intimate dinners under the stars. Fire pit lounge sets. Luxury trend alert. Fire pit sets combine seating with warmth, ideal for entertaining friends or family during cooler nights. They create a cozy, inviting atmosphere while serving as a stunning centerpiece. Color and fabric trends. Neutral tones like beige, gray, and natural wood remain popular. Accent cushions in bright colors, earthy shades, or subtle patterns add personality without overwhelming the space. Weather-resistant fabrics are a must for durability, comfort, and long-term style. The key takeaway: your furniture should not only look amazing but also adapt to your lifestyle and space. Versatile, comfortable, and durable pieces are the winning formula for 2025 patios. Comfort and functionality features. Choosing the right patio furniture isn't just about looks. Comfort and functionality matter just as much. Cushions and fabrics. One of the biggest comfort upgrades is adding high-quality cushions. Look for weather-resistant, UV-protected fabrics that won't fade under the sun or get ruined by occasional rain. Soft, thick cushions make your chairs and sofas inviting, perfect for relaxing for hours outdoors. Adjustable features. Many modern 2025 patio sets come with adjustable features. Reclining chairs for ultimate relaxation. Extendable tables for larger gatherings. Modular pieces that can be rearranged for small or large groups. This means your furniture can adapt to your needs, whether it's a quiet morning coffee or a lively dinner party. Storage options. Some furniture pieces now include hidden storage compartments, perfect for stashing cushions, blankets, or outdoor games. It keeps your patio organized and clutter-free while maintaining its stylish look. Foldable and portable designs. Flexibility is key in 2025. Foldable chairs and tables are ideal for small patios or balconies, allowing you to maximize space when needed. Lightweight, portable furniture also makes rearranging your outdoor space effortless. In short, when selecting furniture for your patio, look for pieces that combine style, comfort, and practical features. That's the secret to enjoying your outdoor space to the fullest. Top picks/recommendations. Now let's dive into some of the best outdoor patio furniture options of 2025. We've selected sets that cater to different budgets, spaces, and styles. Luxury option: teak wood lounge set. Timeless design, extremely durable. Perfect for villas or large terraces. Weather resistant, ages beautifully over time. Mid-range, aluminum modular sofa set. Modern and lightweight. Flexible layout for small or large spaces. Cushions included with UV-protected fabric. Budget-friendly. Synthetic rattan bistro set. Stylish and cozy for balconies or small patios. Easy to maintain and move around. Durable, weatherproof, and comfortable. Fun and trendy. Hanging egg chair/swing. Adds a playful, Instagram-worthy vibe. Comfortable for solo lounging. Perfect for creating a cozy corner in any outdoor space. Family-friendly. Fire pit lounge set. Combines comfort and functionality. Ideal for entertaining or cozy evenings. Adds warmth and a stunning centerpiece to your patio. Tip: choose furniture that matches your lifestyle. Love hosting parties? Pick larger modular or lounge sets. Need a quiet reading corner? Add a hanging chair or small bistro set. No matter your budget or space, 2025 has the perfect outdoor furniture to elevate your patio. Maintenance and longevity tips. Even the best furniture needs a little care to stay looking fresh and last longer. Cleaning basics. Wipe down tables and chairs regularly. Sweep or hose off dirt, dust, and debris. For cushions, remove covers and wash according to fabric instructions. Protect from sun and rain. Use furniture covers during extreme weather. Store lightweight pieces indoors during heavy storms. UV-protected fabrics prevent fading and prolong life. Wooden furniture care. Teak or natural wood benefits from occasional oiling or sealing. Keep it elevated from wet surfaces to prevent damage. Aluminum and synthetic materials. Simply wipe with mild soap and water. No special maintenance required, making them ideal for busy households. Even small habits, like putting furniture on mats or rugs and avoiding sharp objects on surfaces, can dramatically extend your furniture's life. With proper care, your 2025 patio furniture will look amazing year after year, giving you both comfort and style without constant replacements. Designing your outdoor space. Now that you've chosen your furniture, it's time to think about how to arrange and style your patio to make it truly inviting. Create functional zones. For larger patios, divide the space into zones. Dining area with a table and chairs for meals. Lounge area with sofas or modular seating for relaxing. Entertainment corner with fire pits, swings, or games. This helps your patio feel organized, spacious, and multifunctional. Consider flow and spacing. Leave enough space for walking between furniture. Avoid overcrowding small patios. Less is often more. Modular furniture helps rearrange the layout for different occasions. Add lighting and accessories. String lights, lanterns, or solar lamps create a warm, cozy ambience. Outdoor rugs add texture, define spaces, and bring color. Potted plants or small garden elements make your patio feel more natural and inviting. Balance style and function. Mix and match furniture and accessories without making the space look cluttered. Use cushions and throws for comfort and pops of color. Remember, your patio should be as comfortable as it is stylish. With these tips, even a small balcony or rooftop can feel like a designer outdoor space. DIY or upgrade options. Not ready to buy an entirely new set? You can still upgrade your patio affordably with a few simple DIY tips. 1. Refinish or paint old furniture. Sand wooden or metal furniture and give it a fresh coat. Use weather-resistant paints to protect surfaces. 2. Update cushions and fabrics. Replace worn cushions with UV-protected, waterproof fabrics. Add colorful throws or pillows to instantly refresh the look. 3. Add small decorative elements. Outdoor rugs, string lights, lanterns, or planters. Small touches create a luxurious feel without large investments. 4. Rearrange your layout. Sometimes moving furniture around, adding a corner lounge, or creating an intimate seating area can make the space feel brand new. Tip: even minor upgrades can transform your patio and make it ready for 2025's trends without breaking the bank. So let's recap. In 2025, the best outdoor patio furniture isn't just stylish. It's comfortable, functional, and built to last. From luxurious teak lounge sets to versatile aluminum modular sofas, from cozy hanging chairs to budget-friendly rattan bistro sets, there's something for every space and lifestyle. Remember, choose furniture based on material, style, and your daily needs. Focus on comfort and functionality, not just looks. Care for your furniture to maximize lifespan and maintain beauty. Design your patio smartly to create a space you'll love to spend time in. If you're ready to transform your patio into a 2025 worthy outdoor haven, start with the right furniture and a thoughtful layout today. And don't forget, like this video if you found these tips helpful. Comment below which furniture style you love the most. Subscribe for more home, outdoor, and design ideas. Your perfect outdoor space is just a few smart choices away. Let 2025 be the year your patio truly shines.